Dear children, good morning. I am L.K. Tripathi, going to explain Geography chapter 3rd. The topic is natural vegetation and wildlife. First of all, we must know about the natural vegetation and wildlife. Dear children, natural vegetation is such a vegetation which is grown naturally, means there is no any need of human support. They grow without any human support. In the same way, wildlife is such a life, they are undomesticated. They are not domesticated anywhere, and they are found in entire forest region of the world in different manners and different ways. So first we shall see natural vegetation. Natural vegetation and wildlife play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance on the earth. Natural vegetation refers to the plant life that grows naturally without any human support, whereas wildlife refers to undomesticated animals, life found in any region. The natural vegetation and wildlife found in a region are determined by various factors, main among which are climate and topography. These two things play important role in growing the natural vegetation as well as the wildlife. Now, importance of natural vegetation. What is the importance of natural vegetation? Let us see. First, plants refers oxygen into the atmosphere and absorb carbon dioxide from it, thereby maintaining the balance of their gases in the atmosphere. This is the importance of natural vegetation. Second is forests play a role in regulating global temperature by absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and cooling the air by releasing moisture. They also help bring rainfall. Point number 3, fresh air, the source of products like timber, tillegs, resins, herbs, fruits, nuts, firewoods, etc. The roots of trees hold the soil together and thus prevent soil erosion. Next, that is distribution of natural vegetation. The major vegetation types of the world are forest, grassland, scrubs, and tundra. These are the distribution of natural vegetation. In these regions, the forests are grown in a rich way. Next, that is forest into India. What is the location of forest? Where are they located? Let us see. According to the Forest Survey of India, India had 21.54% of the total geographical areas under forest cover in 2017. This much area of the land was covered by the forest in 2017. As per this report, Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forest cover, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Means the largest area of the land of Madhya Pradesh is covered by the forest areas. Loss of forest cover. So many illegal activities take place in the forest region. The illegal bodies cut down the forest and they sell them without proper order by the government. So, due to deforestation, the crisis among the wildlife as well as human life is going to danger. So, natural factors like tsunamis, cyclones, and wildfires cause some of this loss. A large part of this is a result of human activities such as deforestation for land, agriculture, and timber. For all such types of activities, the deforestation, illegal cutting of the trees, natural disaster causes the loss of forest. Wildlife. It refers to the undomesticated animals of a region. Mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish and insects. They are treated as wildlife. Importance of wildlife. Wildlife too play a role in the balance of the ecosystem. All organisms in an ecosystem are depend on each other. For example, insects are the